Hello and welcome to another update video about AVAX. Yeah, quick update here. AVAX today we see a little bit of upside. It turned around in the support area I communicated yesterday. So hopefully that helped you because it turned around exactly at the golden ratio, the 61.8 retracement. Great setup so far, worked out. Now it's time to move up your stop loss if you want to do that. That's your individual decision, but I can always just highlight it because risk management, in my opinion, is much more important than what you can make. But at this stage, there is still a risk we come down back into the orange area. Yeah. So I'm looking at here a possible 1-2 setup of the 10th of March low. This was a setup at the time. We rallied in 5 waves, came down in 3. That's fine. Had another setup here. Did rally in 5 waves, came down in 3 again. So the potential is that this was another 1-2 setup here. And yeah, we could now be rallying in a 3rd wave next. I guess it depends a little bit on what happens tomorrow. That's the dog. With regards to the Fed. So by the way, that wasn't the dog, that was his toy. So come on. So looking at this as a possible additional 1-2 setup here. And then we could move up. Yeah, this is just an idea. I mean, this can change quickly, these subwave counts. But if this was the low, the 1640 level, what would be the target to the upside, the 3rd wave? So I need to stop it in a minute if it happens again. 2122 would be target here. Yeah, the 1.618 extension. And what it needs to do, it just needs to move up from... All right, I've got the toys now. Okay. It needs to move up from here, needs to break above the wave 1 high at 1820 and then rally impulsively in 5 waves. Eventually key resistance is here at 2165, and if it gets above that level, yeah, I think then we are then we have confirmation that we are in the larger 3rd wave, which, yeah, we can talk about target for the larger 3rd wave as well. So we've got the wave 1 to the upside, we measure the low of the wave 2, and then we talk about a target in the larger 3rd wave of $32 plus. And yeah, that's basically everything. What needs to happen, obviously, is that it now delivers on the upside. It can still come down a little lower as long as it's holding 1591. This white 1-2 setup is certainly valid. And I think now it's a bit of a waiting game. Yeah, it was a bit of a waiting game here as well, where we rallied out of our support area, and I did highlight. Now we need to see if the trade works out. I mean, it did rally. Maybe some people took partial profits, came back into the next support area, and now again it's a waiting game to see can it actually develop that upside potential and realize it further. Yeah, I mean, if we go to the 4-hour chart, I mean, we saw those bullish divergences on various charts. It's back above 50 here on the relative strength index. That's typically a bullish sign. We have on the 4-hour chart a potential bullish crossover coming on the MACD, which means a reduction in negative momentum. Yeah, and that typically is sort of also a bullish signal. But yeah, in the end, you know, these are all lagging indicators. So what really counts is price action. Price action needs to confirm. It's the best leading indicator. The 3 setups worked out. So I hope that helped everybody, and now we just need to wait and see. The trend is certainly up at the moment. Yeah, that's sort of what the Elliott wave analysis suggests, especially as long as we're holding 1591. Okay, that's my update about AVAX. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.